The strong wind signal number 3 is in effect. The Hong Kong Observatory said it is likely to remain in force until at least midday tomorrow. Severe tropical storm Wu-Tip is moving at around 28 kilometers per hour across the Guangdong-Guangxi area. The city's forecaster said the chances of issuing the number 8 signal is low unless Wu-Tip intensifies around the inland region and shifts closer to the Pearl River estuary. In Pafulan this morning, a 10-meter tall tree collapsed amid strong winds. The observatory warns there will be rough seas and swells on Sunday, with unstable weather and occasional heavy showers early next week.